Welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to log out of your Outlook account on a PC. First, open Outlook on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start button and searching for Outlook. Once you found it, opened it, then go to the top menu and click on File. Next, click on the File option. Select Account Settings and from the drop-down, click Account Settings again. In the window that appears, open the Data Files tab. Then click Add. Save a copy of the data in the suggested path, then press OK. After that, open the Email tab. Select the email account you want to log out of, then click Remove. Confirm by clicking Yes and congratulations. Your account has been logged out of Outlook on your PC. If you ever want to log back in, simply follow the same steps but choose New instead of Remove to add your email again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more quick tech guides and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.